Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is what we always called a spider bite with a banana seat on it. This was the thing to have to be cool back in the day, especially when you're about 9, 10 years old. You absolutely had to have one of these. Well, I had went to my aunt's house in Georgia, and mind you, I'm from flat country. And at my aunt's house, they had all kind of hills, and I mean, they had some hills, and they always seemed to cause problems with me. Well, she had borrowed a neighbor's bike that they had, so I could ride up and down her street. And her street was a cul-de-sac, and there was a golf course across from it. The golf course is long gone. This is around the in the DeKalb County area, around North Druid Hills Road, and so I'd ride down and come back up the hill because back in those days they had air, but I didn't like being in air because I'd get sick and get cold. So I liked being outside. Of course, at that age, what else was there to do? Well, this bike had seen some mileage, to say the least. Well, I'd gone up to the top of the hill, which I really weren't supposed to, but I went up there and turned around and was coming back, and I was going to break a land speed record. I coming down the hill, I made the curve with just expert precision. I got right near my aunt's house, and excuse me, and a couple of them were outside. Well, what would happen but the chain jump off? Well, there ain't nowhere to go but downhill from there, literally. And I go past them, and there's you're going fast, and I'm still hauling. Well, there's cars, luckily nobody's coming out of the driveway like my other little adventure in Atlanta. But I get out to the end and it's the entrance to the golf course. Well, it dips down, then it goes back up. But there's grass there. So the only thing I can think of is to try and cut and not hit that cement because, when you get under a lot of stress like that, you get really intelligent. So I said, I want to hit that right there at the corner. That way I'm in the grass. And man, I hit that and slid. I looked like I looked like a green Martian. There grass stains all over me. My mom was mad at me for ruining my play clothes, and I finally told her. I said, "Well, the chain jumped off. It was either that or go over that concrete and get hurt." And, well, so that was the end of the bicycle at that point in time. And I had a spider bike, something similar to this, except without that gear shift right there. And got it one Christmas. Supposed to get it one Christmas anyway. Well, I was left a letter that the seat had fell off in transit, and Santa Claus would bring me another one. I'd never heard of such. Well, I'd kind of halfway forgot about it, and finally, about 4 days later, I got a bicycle waiting on me out in the den, and it was sharp. It was purple, and it was ready to go. And I pull wheelies on it and ride to my heart's content. And let me tell you, there was only one speed on my bicycle. You talking about something building up your legs? That's what these youngins need. Get out there and just play on these toys and stuff. And hey, you getting skin up. You learn some valuable lessons. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for listening to Old Man's Ramblings. Bye.